Good evening, everybody. This is Guns David Guns, coming to you live on this July 28th, I believe, 28th, 2019, about 7:10 p.m. Yeah, it's another one of my cast iron videos. But what it is it's time to make a homemade pizza in my, I believe this one's the 17-inch cast iron skillet, it's called. Because this is, what is this? This is a Wagner number 8. There's my Dutch oven that I use for deep frying my mozzarella sticks. Yep, we're going to be making pizza. So let's see how this works out. Got it all greased down now. Now I got to put the base. Damn, I almost forgot to show you the dough. I got the dough in there. Let's put on the pizza sauce. Oh, and I forgot something else. Some, oh God. Mozzarella, some grated cheese. I forgot what it's called right now. I'll be back. Okay, so now the next topping is the mozzarella cheese. After the sauce, I usually put on Parmesan cheese. I spread the sauce on, then I do some Parmesan cheese, then the mozzarella cheese, then just a little bit of Parmesan cheese. But the sauce I have mixed in oregano, basil, bay leaves, garlic, salt, pepper, and a little bit of sugar mixed in with the salt. So now I'm going to put the sausage on. Okay, now we got the sausage on the pizza. So we got the dough, the sauce, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, and Italian sausage. No, I don't cook my sausage and then put it on the pizza. Or if I was using hamburger, I don't cook the hamburger, put it on. Or I don't cook the bacon and put it on. Or the salami and put it on. You don't need to. This is going to be cooking for 29 to 32 minutes at 425. Sausage cooks perfectly fine. Bacon cooks fine. Hamburger cooks fine. Ham cooks fine. It all cooks fine. I've seen people cook the sausage, hamburger beforehand, then put it on. Yeah, some people do it for it's less greasy and that, but you lose a lot of flavor. Think of all that flavor you're going to lose. Okay, let me put on the green, yellow, and orange peppers. Okay, so we got the yellow, red, and orange peppers. Only on half of it. She doesn't feel like having peppers tonight. So, yeah, I usually eat my half. Usually not all in one night. I usually have like 2 pieces. And then I'll munch on the rest of the stuff. She usually has about 2 pieces, and that's about it. So I get the rest to myself. So I got breakfast and lunch for like a day or 2. So we're going to cook this at 425 degrees for about 29 to 32 minutes. Okay. Hopefully I remember to come back and record when it's done. And here is the finished product. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. So, what I do is then I slide it out of the cast iron skillet onto a flat cookie sheet. So let's take a look. Look how, wow. That's a seasoned skillet. Nothing sticks. But this is Guns, David Guns, signing out on this nice warm July 28, 2019 night. About, 8:17 Chicago Standard Central Time. One more little note. I think some people got butt hurt tonight. Oh, well. Ciao.